Hi there, it's Tim from Tim's Electric, and today I'm going to try out the NEWO Bike Pump. I'm actually going to ask Melissa to come in and take a quick peek. What I'll do is a quick unboxing. And what I am really intrigued with is the ability for myself to be able to blow up a tire on the road. So this is actually a completely wireless solution. I don't want to litter. It's really windy today, so I don't want any of this to blow away. Oh, here's the unit. We put this down inside here. There's a little pouch for it and a little charging cord as well. But let's turn this thing on. Power up here. And it says it's charged 38%. Little button at the bottom. And screw that in here. And this is a 010X or a Varla. This happens to be the Varla. So basically what I need to do here is ensure that the tire pressure is at 50 PSI. So let me just check. So this particular device has an auto shut off as well. So what you could do is set it to the PSI that you want it to be set at and then turn it off. So let me get this thing plugged in. Okay, it's nice and tight, and press the button and it's going to get loud in here. Right now it says its tire pressure is 32.5. You may or may not be able to see that, but that's what it says. Power it on, and here we go. 35, 37. Oh. I guess that's the shut off. Oh, that's the shut off I had it set at. So let me just figure out how to turn that up. Oh, there's a little plus minus on the beside the power bar. So I'm just going to change that to 50. I'm going to go to 51 because I typically whenever I release the pump, I lose a little bit of air. So here we go.
A few moments later.
And 51.5. Well, that's pretty awesome. No guesswork. Unscrew it. So I'm going to whip around now and do the rear tire, but I just wanted to show you how simple this is. And when it's finished, it's really small and it just pops away, oh, the other way around, in your pocket. So on your long ride, I think this makes an awful lot of sense, especially, or if you're going somewhere where you're not close to gas stations and you can pump up your tires. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, if you found a bike pump like this that you tried and you thought was amazing, put the comments down below. Thank you to Ride the Glide for lending this one out to me. And yeah, take care, be safe, wear a helmet.